खुश रहो बेटिया. Today's topic is occupational disease. I Javin Dr. Shokumar Jain, APRI department from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Now start the topic of occupational disease. Occupational disease are disease caused by work or work environment. Work-related disease are disease initiated, hampered, or easy to get by work. Occupational disease occur among workers exposed to specific hazard. In some situations, may also occur among the general community as a consequence of contamination of environment from the workplace, lead or pesticide. Occupational disease occur as a result of exposure to physical, chemical, biological, or psychosocial factor in the workplace. These factors in the work environment are predominant and essential in the causation of occupational disease. Example: lead in the workplace essential for lead poisoning, silica or silicosis. Factors: occupational disease are adverse health condition in the human being, the occurrence or severity of which is related to exposure to factor on the job in the work environment. Major categories of occupational illness by organ system: musculoskeletal disorder, respiratory disorder, neurological and psychiatric disorder, skin disorder, reproductive and developmental disorder, cardiovascular disorder, hematologic disorder, hepatic disorder, renal and urinary disorder. Physically, heat, noise or radiation, chemical, solvent, pesticide, heavy metals or dust, biological, tuberculosis, hepatitis B virus, HIV, ergonomic, repetitive motion, improper design, tool or work area, psychosocial stressor, lack of control over work, inadequate personal support, mechanical mainly causes accident and injury. Work related disease: WHO category work related disease as multifactorial in origin. There are diseases in which workplace factor may be associated in their occurrence but need not to be a risk factor in each case. Work related disease occur much more frequently than occupational disease. They are caused by interaction of several extensive risk factors. Work condition can aggravate per existing disease. Hepatic dysfunction can be aggravated by exposure to certain chlorinated hydrocarbon. Bronchial asthma can be aggravated by dust exposure. Renal disease can be aggravated by the inorganic mercury, cadmium, cadmium and certain solvent. Frequently seen in the general community: hypertension, ischemic heart disease, psychosomatic illness, musculoskeletal disorder, chronic non-specific respiratory disease, chronic bronchitis. Difference between the occupational disease and work-related disease. Work-related disease occur largely in the community. Occupational disease occur mainly among working population. Work-related disease multifactorial in origin. Occupational disease cause specific. Work-related disease exposure at workplace may be a factor. Exposure at workplace is essential. Occupational disease of work-related disease may be notifiable and compensable. Occupational disease notifiable and compensable. Recognizing occupational disease: the identification of work-related medical problem depend upon importantly on the occupational history. Occupational history: description of the all job held, work exposure, timing, symptom, epidemiology of symptoms or illness among other worker, non-work exposure and other factor. Hippocrate Hippocrate, the standard three question recommended name, age, and resistance. The common component of an occupational history, the job description, nature of job, hours of work, shift work, type of hazards, past occupation, other job, domestic exposure, hobbies, do other worker have a similar illness, relationship of illness to period away from week. Additional information in occupational history, smoking, alcohol intake drug, similar complaint among other worker, time relationship between work and symptom, smoking, alcohol intake drugs, similar complaint among other worker, time relationship between the work and symptom, degree of exposure, use of protective device, method of material handling, screening of occupational disease, screening approach, history, questionnarization, physical examination, test, chest X-ray, pulmonary function test, biological monitoring or audiometry. Abestosis, chronic inflammatory and fibrotic medical condition affecting parenchyma tissue of the lung. Cause chronic inhalation of asbestos, clinical manifestation, dyspnea, reduction in lung volume, hypoxia, lung cancer, respiratory failure. Diagnosis, history, physical examination, X-ray, CT scan or lung biopsy. Treatment, bronchodilator, oxygen therapy, respiratory physiotherapy, postural drainage and nebulization. Pneumoconiosis. Pneumoconiosis definition, it is an occupational lung disease caused by inhalation of dust. Coil worker pneumoconiosis, asbestosis, scoliosis, mineral, the grinder, asthma, potter's rot caused by crystalline silica dust. Bacuside fibrosis, it is a form of pneumoconiosis caused by bauxite. Berylliosis, beryllium, siderosis, iron, bisonosis, cotton. कोई diagnose SCPE, X-ray, CT, lung biopsy. Management, bronchodilator, oxygen therapy, respiratory physiotherapy, postural drainage or nebulization. Occupational disease in developing countries, asbestos is major cause of disability and ill health. Pesticide, the majority of workers in developing countries are in agriculture. Pesticides are often applied by hand or without proper protection of workers who use spray equipment. Occupational dermatosis, the most common occupational disease, are almost always preventable by a combination environment, personal, land, medical measure. Type of occupational dermatome. Type of occupational dermatosis: acute contact eczema, chronic contact eczema, chlorelens, photosynthesization, hyperpigmentation, keratosis, benign tumors and epitheliomas, ulcers. Occupational ulcer cancer. The cause of cancer is still not completely understood. Epidemiological study has been associated with certain exposure. Preventing occupational disease measure applied to process or workplace. Substitution of a non-hazard substance for hazardous one. Installation of engineering control and device. Redesign, redesign, work organization change, and work practice alternative. Measure primarily direct towards worker education and advice. Personal protective equipment, organizational measure. To prevent occupational disease effectively, health professionals must know how to anticipate and recognize condition in those who present with symptoms and those who are pre-symptomatic. A three level of prevention. Primary prevention is designed to deter or avoid the occurrence of disease or injury. Secondary prevention is designed to identify and adequately treat a disease or injury process as soon as possible, often before any symptoms have developed. Tertiary prevention is designed to treat a disorder when it has advanced beyond its early stage to avoid complication and limit disability to address rehabilitation and palliative needs. Prevention of occupational disease, primary prevention, secondary prevention. Primary prevention, control of new hazards, control of new hazard, environmental monitoring, biological monitoring is secondary prevention, screening. Primary prevention, identification of vulnerable workers, pre-employment medical examination, periodic and medical examination करते हैं secondary prevention में. Prevention of occupational tertiary prevention aim to minimize the consequence each person who already have disease. Goal is to limit symptom or discomfort, minimize injury to the body and maximize functional capacity. Thank you.